They should make it a requirement for every single real estate agent to move every 7 years. And I managed to move twice in 7 months. I moved to a new market. We built a house. I was in a rental. And then we moved to our new forever home. And I really think this one's going to be a forever home. But life got in the way. All right. It happens. Things aren't perfect. We're fallible human. That's a great word, by the way, fallible. That's a phenomenal word. We're fallible human beings. The first thing to go was my self-care. I stopped exercising. This went on for about 3 weeks, just because, like I said, moving, packing, craziness. We got 3 sick kids that all got strep throat. That was during moving week, which is amazing. I actually had 2 dogs that passed within a span of 3 weeks. And then I got a new dog because I'm an idiot, but I had to make the kids happy. So that alone will throw you off. And like I said, I stopped exercising. I stopped eating the way that I should. I was eating a lot of fast food. So I don't feel great is the best way to put it. Yet the one thing that maintained consistent within my life was my prospecting. Every Monday through Friday, between the hours of 8 and 11 o'clock, I prospected expires for sale by owners, lead follow-up, probate, a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Was it my best prospecting that I've ever done? No, it wasn't. Yet was it consistent as normal? Yes, it was. What do you expect? I got a big move going on. I'm working in the morning, packing in the afternoon. It's not perfect because life will go this way and then you'll hit a bump and then you'll hit a bottom. You'll hit a bump, and then eventually it goes this way. Life is never a straight line. It never is. Things are going to come out of left field. Things are going to come out of right field. But it's maintaining the consistency of something in your life, which remains prospecting, which typically is my morning routine, which I got away from. So the commitment that I'm making is tomorrow, I'm getting back to the gym first thing in the morning, which means I got to get up at 5. The cool part is my new house is 4 minutes closer to the gym. So that means I get an 8-minute step on the day. All right. Eating, I'm actually going to be ordering food from one of those fancy food places to kickstart getting my health in there, because when you don't feel good, you're not your best self, and prospecting and anything else can become a challenge. So I implore, which is another great word, implore is another great word as well, is I implore every single one of you guys to realize that life will get in the way. Life is a storm. It's a perfect storm sometimes, but it's not a question about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you hit back. Rocky Balboa right there, everybody.